Another great example of why remote e-collars are so useful. Here we are up on just typical moorland. This is Dartmoor National Park. We're going to go around the corner. That's just highlighting the unexpected things you can find in an environment like this here that has both wild animals and then semi-tame animals and also livestock. Can you spot it yet? I'll just hold here to let some of the eagle-eyed people try and spot it. Hopefully you saw a wee bit of movement just around there. Let's push on to show you what we'll come across. Now, if your dog's easily spooked by something maybe they haven't seen before, or if they're also spooked by this creature's pretty big, I'll show you in a second. There's for sure one of them. Of course, where there is one, there's normally a wee herd of them, so I'm already seeing two. Now, if you didn't have good control of your dog's off lead, then it shouldn't be off lead in environment, I guess. Here's these two dogs walking basically at heel. Interesting. So this one also is with calf. Now, what I'm trying to achieve here is to show you. I'm going to zoom in. There you are. There's mama and there's calf. Now, I want these dogs that I'm with to behave normally enough and to act calm enough that we're not going to disturb mama and calf. I'm happy that they're still laying down, still happy that they feel safe. Max, this way. There's just saying that we're going on an alternative path. We'll let them be in peace. We're going to move off. Let's go. And then just to show you that it's not just a fluke, I'm going to change direction for us. This way. Now I'm hoping that with their running by, they're still not going to stay spooked. They're great. They're great. So a lot of the livestock that's up here in the commons, they're pretty used to animals sort of sprinting around and, making noises and going through the brush and the bracken and the gorse. So good on them that they're calm enough. There's mama teaching the calf that you can hear things and see things, but unless they get very, very close, just don't be bothered by it at all. So there's 3 dogs, 3 different breeds, mixed breed, and a pedigree breed, all just showing how they can keep just acting like natural, normal dogs, but yet be under control of myself alongside with them. There's just a 360 just to show you. There's too many spots that are all blind corners, and I don't have a clear line of sight, not always, so you never know what's around here. Luckily I know all this environment very well, and one of the wee rules I try to always keep is I don't really let the dogs go out of sight. The longer the line of sight, the further they can be away. If I can't see them, I don't know what they're doing, and it means I'll usually call them back. Now there's me even I'm going to use the e-collar no command just to get Otis, which is the Weimar, on her back. That's me now. Tap, 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 tap. There he is. Fantastic. There's all 3 dogs. That's it for now. Good luck.